Hello, nandito tayo ngayon sa Governor's Hills, developed by SunTrust. This is located in General Trias, Cavite. And in this video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung ating Sofia house model, which has a flat area of 132 square meters and a floor area of 115.08 square meters. So this house has 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with a carport and service area. This house is available for sale via bank financing for around 55,000 pesos monthly. So come on, check natin yung bahay. Over here is the carport and kasya po dito yung isang sasakyan. This is the pocket garden. Come on, tingnan po natin. Now, punta tayo dun sa kabila kasi nandun yung main door para mapasok po natin yung bahay. Come on. Now, we're here inside the house and just want to inform you that model house lamang po ito. Yung mga gamit na nakikita nyo po sa loob ay hindi po kasama and hindi din po ito yung actual na bahay na binibenta kasi po bibigyan po kayo ng bago dahil nga po model house lamang po. Over this side is the living area. Dito naman ang dining area and a kitchen area. And what I also love here is napakaliwanag po na nakikita natin dito sa bahay because we have here a clear sliding door going outside and we have many windows here kaya po mapasok yung natural light mula sa araw. Napakamaliwanag at kung bubuksan niyo po ito mahangin also because right now it's around 3 PM. Medyo mahangin po ngayon. This door naman leads to the service area. Pwede yung gawin na kitchen, pero sarado kasi siya natin siya mabuksan eh. Tingnan natin dito. Over here is the toilet and bath. Dito po sa ground floor. And on this side is the first room. Ngayon naman, akyat tayo doon sa taas para makita natin yung 3 bedrooms na nandun sa taas. I love the interior dito sa second floor, maliwanag and then colorful. Pero yung pagka-colorful niya is napaka-light lamang po sa mata. Now we'll see the first room, which is this one. And over here naman is the toilet and bath dito sa second floor. And then katabi ng ating toilet and bath is the second bedroom dito sa second floor. Okay, labas tayo dito so that I can show you the family area dito sa second floor. Meron na dito nakalagay na pwedeng lagyan ng TV. Pwede rin po doon, or pwede kayo maglagay dito ng mga computers para paglaruan ng mga bata if you have kids. Now, I'm gonna show you the biggest room in this house, which is the master's bedroom. So, may 3 kwarto po dito sa second floor. The first one, second one, and the third one. So, we will now get inside the master's bedroom, which is this one. And dito rin sa master's bedroom ay meron na pong balcony. Okay, stress na ng hapon ngayon dito sa General Trias, Cavite, and I've already information about this house, ay tingnan nyo na lamang po ang description nitong video ko. Ilalagay ko po doon yung total contract price, magkano yung down payment, magkano yung monthly sa bank, and then more other information about this house. And for the other house models naman na biniviewhan namin kanina, check nyo na lamang po yung